Let matrix A is defined by this manner where A, B, C and F are real numbers and F is non-zero. The geometric multiplicity of the largest eigenvalue of A equals. It means we have to find largest eigenvalue and its geometric multiplicity means we no need to find largest eigenvalue, but geometric multiplicity of largest eigenvalue we need to tell you. How to solve this problem? This is a matrix A, and if you focus on matrix A, you can see diagonal element A, B, C are real, and diagonal elements above the principal diagonal and below the principal diagonals are same. So this is symmetric matrix, and a skew symmetric matrix. Sorry, symmetric matrix, and every symmetric matrix is diagonalizable. And for a diagonalizable matrix, algebraic multiplicity of eigenvalue, any eigenvalue, is equal to geometric multiplicity of eigenvalue for all I. Here I equal to 1, 2, 3 because of this is a matrix of size 3 by 3. So 3 eigenvalue will exist here. Also, f not equal to 0, if f equal to 0, then this matrix will be scalar matrix or diagonal matrix, either scalar, diagonal in more general, or maybe scalar. Then problem of very simple kind. If this is a diagonal, it will be a diagonal or scalar matrix, but f is non-zero here, so matrix is somehow different from this one, but it may be diagonalized, it may be, or we can reduce it in diagonalizable form or diagonal matrix. Let lambda is an eigenvalue. I'm not saying it is largest or lowest. If lambda is eigenvalue, then determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0, and a is defined as this. So we need to find a minus lambda I. A minus lambda I will be only a minus lambda, b minus lambda, and c minus lambda, and other entry will remain same. Determinant of this matrix will be 0 if lambda is eigenvalue, and here 2f, 0, 3f, 2f, 0 and 3f. Other entry is same because determinant of this is 0 and it is 3 by 3. So rank of this matrix A minus lambda I cannot be 3. So it may be either 2 or 1 because it is a symmetric matrix, and a symmetric matrix cannot have rank 1, cannot have rank 1. So rank of A minus lambda I is equal to 2. So its nullity of A minus lambda I is equal to 1. Or you can see here, because f is non-zero, so a submatrix or minor, circled minor, having non-zero determinant of 2f 0, b minus lambda, and 3f is not equal to 0 because 3 to the 6, f is square and f is non-zero, So this entry will be not equal to 0. So the determinant of 2 by 2 minor is non-zero or submatrix. So we are obtaining a minor of order 2 having non-zero determinant. So its rank is 2, or you can directly apply this theorem. Symmetric matrix cannot have rank 1, and 3 is not possible. So rank is 2, nullity is 1. So geometric multiplicity of lambda is 1. So answer is 1.